In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to qualify for a Habitat for Humanity home. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking for affordable housing and a chance to contribute to their community. Let's break down the steps on how you can qualify and become a proud homeowner with Habitat for Humanity. First, you need to demonstrate a need for improved housing conditions. There are several indicators that could qualify you. Perhaps the space where you currently live is way too cramped for your family's needs. Or, if the condition of your home is not safe, it might be structurally unsound or not meet basic safety standards. Additionally, if you find yourself spending a significant portion of your income on housing, more than you can comfortably afford, that's an important factor too. Next, let's talk about income requirements. Habitat for Humanity typically caters to those with steady but modest incomes. They usually look for households whose income ranges from about 30 to 80% of the local average. This ensures that you can manage a low monthly mortgage comfortably without causing additional financial strain. Another unique aspect of Habitat for Humanity is the concept of sweat equity. As part of the program, you'll actively participate in building your home or even helping construct other families' homes. This hands-on involvement is not just about saving costs, it's a valuable opportunity to learn new skills, bond with your future neighbors, and take pride in your contribution to your own house. Additionally, you're expected to attend homeownership classes. These are tailored to help you manage your home successfully and cover topics like financial management and maintenance. Once you've considered these criteria, it's time to take action and apply. Head to habitat.org/local to locate your closest Habitat for Humanity office. Reach out to them directly to request an application and gather all the required documentation they ask for. This might include proof of income, identification details, and any relevant housing information. Submit these documents to kickstart your application process. After submitting your application, there will be a waiting period while Habitat reviews your case. They'll check your financial information, assess the urgency of your housing need, and might even conduct a home visit to get a better understanding of your current living conditions. If everything aligns with their criteria, you'll receive the fantastic news of being approved. At this point, you'll officially join the program and start participating in the building process, where you'll contribute your sweat equity. Remember, qualifying for a Habitat for Humanity home is not only about meeting criteria, but also about making an earnest commitment towards building a better future for yourself and your community. Stay dedicated, and who knows, soon you might be not just a participant, but a proud homeowner. Good luck on your journey.